Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. Let's get started. Today we are going to make tortilla wraps with chicken. It's very simple, short and easy recipe to follow when you don't want to cook much and prepare something fast. So let's move on. To make two wraps, I'm using 250-gram boneless chicken, shan tikka masala, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, ketchup and mayonnaise, cucumber, capsicum and iceberg salad leaves. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of shan tikka masala. You can increase this amount if you want it more spicy. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, but it's optional. Now add the chicken into it and give it a good mix. Marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a frying pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil in it and let it warm up. Now add the marinated chicken into it. We will cook it until the chicken is done completely into its own water and also the water dries up. In the meantime, slice your cucumber and capsicum in batonette style. When water dries up, still cook for 1 to 2 minutes to get that color on the chicken. Now put the chicken aside and prepare the sauce. It's very simple. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix them well. Now let's assemble everything. Take a tortilla wrap and put the salad leaves in the middle, then add chicken on top and all the vegetables. You can choose any other vegetables also. Add the sauce and roll it up. Your chicken wrap is ready to eat. You can also wrap it up in an aluminum foil like this. It helps while eating because sauce don't drip out from the other side. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss any video in the future, press the bell icon.